Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Aquarius air sign. Your person current feelings and actions towards you in the month of May. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings. So let's see your person current feelings right now. Aquarius, 5 of Swords, Hierophant, Empress. Definitely in past, what are the disputes between both of you are going to be, and definitely fighting ending, and he want to commit to you. Definitely he loves you. The Hierophant, he want to come towards you because Hierophant is a marriage card. Definitely he want to commit to you. The Empress, I think he is gaining power to come towards you. The Empress standing by power, or it is you stand by your power. That's why your person want to come towards you and offer this commitment to you. So right now he is thinking this way. So their actions towards you in the month of May. Aquarius, 7 of Swords. I think you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, 8 sign. 2 of Pentacles, 7 of Wands. I think there is some sneak energy between both of you. Definitely 2 of Pentacles. I think your person may be at some crossroads. Juggling is going between both and your person may be juggled between you or something. Definitely, but he wants this relationship. He don't want to give up. 7 of Wands, but there is some sneaky energy and your person may be juggling. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Definitely he wants this relationship. He don't want to give up, but there is some sneaky energy. Knight of Wands. Yes, he want to come towards you. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, fire energy. 3 of Cups, the Strength, Wheel of Fortune. Yes, definitely there is third party situation for some, definitely, because 7 of Swords and 2 of Pentacles. I think your person may be juggled due to third party, but he choose you definitely because things are turning in your favor. Wheel of Fortune. Now Knight of Wands. Definitely he want to come towards you very fastly. Strength. Definitely he is gaining strength to come towards you, ending the third party and coming towards you. He thinking and he want to do that definitely in near future. So Aquarius, definitely things are turning in your favor, so don't upset. First the sneak energy is going to be, and then things are turning in your favor. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.